What's up, everyone? Welcome to the EDC Paradox, and this is going to be our giveaway video for this budget setup right here, and we'll get to that in just a moment. I wanted to take this time to thank you all for the 350 subscriber mark, and soon enough we will be at 500, and more giveaways will happen at 500, 750, and 1,000. And we have things like this petrified fish here to give away. We have this OTF here. It's a big boy. We have multi-tools, earbuds, wallets, cases, bracelets. And I hope you all will have fun doing those. I know I will. I can't wait to reach those milestones and do some more giveaways. But for now, we will focus on this stuff right here. And don't know if I'll be able to make this very clear here. But this is the YouTube comment picker. And we'll try and get this set up. I've got the video already. There we go. And then alright, and we have 23 comments for this video for the giveaway. And we will pick this. I wish you all the best of luck, and the winner will have to message me or email me, and I will give that out right after this. But let's go ahead and pick our winner. Oh, come on now. Why would it do that? That's so stupid. Let's see if we can do that again. Nope. Alright, I apologize for this. We'll go ahead and refresh it and try it again, because that is dumb. Whoops. "23 comments again. Now let's hope it picks an actual winner this time. Beefer Baron. Congratulations, and you will have to email me at styles468 STYLES468 at yahoo.com. Send me your information, and I'm sure we will do something like make you comment on another video to prove that it is actually you, and we will get that taken care of. And remember, everyone, more giveaways will happen. I thank you all and hope to see you on the next video.